In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then scroll down to access theme section. Apply a perfect one for you, and when you're finished, go back. As you can see, after that, theme of my Samsung keyboard has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always switch your Samsung keyboard to Gboard. In order to do that, go into Play Store, download the Gboard app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, launch it. Then you need to set it up as your default keyboard. To do that, hit Enable in Settings, select the gray switcher next to Gboard and hit OK in Attention pop-up. Then go back, tap on Select Input Method and tap on Gboard in the pop-up. Now tap on Done and click on Theme section. Finally, you can pick one of those colorful ones by tapping on the best one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, Gboard was successfully applied and its theme has changed. If you want to customize it, click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Select this plus under My Themes and tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!